Hey, what is going on, fam? So I got a new thing just came out for Netflix and YouTube module. Got a lot of stuff in there. I want to plug it in and show you guys all the goodies. Very nice and small, like very, I don't know, more unique from the previous generation ones. And as you can see, it's got a TF and it's got a SIM. The SIM is pretty much for the data. So you can use a SIM card for data, like um, in a way of like, you want to put a SIM card in for data, pretty much like you got unlimited data and you pay like $10 a month or $15, whatever it may be. You could use that SIM card, or you could use like a hotspot that you would get. And this is what you want to plug this into. So it's a plug and play. All you got to do is plug it into that. It works on any vehicle that has Android Auto, or what else is it? CarPlay and touchscreen. I assume that will be touchscreen if you have those features. So once that's connected, I should boot up. First time booting up right now too. And it's got a bunch of animations and sound. Not a bunch, but a few, I think. And yeah, so you can see you got the warning sign. You can either keep that on or disable it in the settings if you wish to do so. That kilometers per hour, I tried changing it to miles per hour, but didn't work out. But it's whatever, it's fine. You can just tap on it. When you're driving, you'll get I think then you'll see miles per hour, I believe. But you got the Bluetooth, you got the back button, you got the CarPlay button there. It's got a wireless. So if let's say you got an Accord 1.5 that doesn't have the wireless CarPlay, or any vehicle that doesn't have wireless CarPlay, but you have the CarPlay using the wire, so this would work on that vehicle then, or Android Auto. And this module will allow you to also have wireless CarPlay. Let's say you didn't have it and you connected it, you can actually set up your wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. This thing would connect to that device and put up the thing in there, CarPlay or Android Auto, whichever you choose. You can choose it at startup, the Android Auto, and you got the CarPlay. At startup, you can have this module to do the wireless CarPlay for you, or at startup you can have this to start up for you, like this screen, pretty much YouTube, Netflix. You could change out the layouts for this. You got different you got the weather stuff over there. That's that. You got the voice thing, and over here you got the mobile data hotspot if you're using see it's not in a return to original car, which is pretty much that. Hit this again, do that. CarPlay not connected, so you can connect Wi-Fi. It's a hotspot. If you have a hotspot, you can use that. You can turn your smartphone into a hotspot if you have that feature, and you can use this device then. You got different layouts here. Layout 2, layout 3 is gonna be like that. So let's just press home. I'll say layout like that now. And yeah, so I'm gonna change that. I like the first layout. Just want to show you guys what it looks like. Layout 1, so perfect, easy access. You got Supercast, you got Android Auto, animations. See the sound, you can turn it on and off at startup, so we'll just keep it off. On, whatever, just showing you guys replace. I don't need to do that. You got the CarPlay, Bluetooth music, assistant, Chrome. You got the cleanup. What else you got? Disney Plus. You got. So I tried this. This thing just plays over and over, but I think it's pretty cool if you're going for a drive or something like that. It just plays like that. Yeah. So it's crazy. This is pretty chill. I like it. You can turn the music off for that as well. The sound, it will just be like a background wallpaper moving video. EQ, you got Google, GPS test files, and other files. And then here you got I don't know what that one is, but the phone, Play Store to download more apps that's able to be downloaded on this module. You got the maps, you got the Netflix, original car. If you hit that, you'll go back to your original car. Settings, and then you have settings. So this settings would be pretty much this stuff, but then if you go to settings here, that settings is literally like the whole system itself. And then settings here, what you would use Wi-Fi. Oh, I bet. See the startup animation? You could have. Oh, you could do it from here. Car hotspot is off. Wallpapers. You got HDMI, cinema mode. I don't know what. Never used it, but sure. All I care about is I just got the Netflix there. You got the maps if you got to use it for, and then you got Disney Plus here as well, and you got the YouTube right there. It's awesome. And right here too, right there. See, oh, so you guys saw this one. So the Spotify, VLC, Waze, YouTube Music. You got Hulu, and if you wanted something to be quick, let's say you wanted that. You see that? You could add it as your favorites, just like that, and you just tap it and that'll pop up right there. And what else is it? I think you could also press and hold the icons and you can move them, see, different locations, but this is full, so no room here. Is gonna go back to where it was, and you can easily open on and off from here as well. Yeah, so that works. And honestly, this doesn't, like, it's smooth. I like this. It's smooth. It's very small, like compact. You know, it's good. And I did notice the fact that, let's say you shut off the car, turn it back on, this will turn on. And also you do have the feature in settings where, see, network and internet, look at that, all the data usage, hotspot, SIM cards right there, advanced settings is there. Battery, I don't know, but that's fine. I guess it's just there for that. Brightness, night, wallpapers. So you got live wallpapers. Wow, that's cool. Okay, I guess there's nothing downloaded in here. Wallpapers. Yep, that works. You can put my photos too. I guess if you connect the SIM, the mini SD card, TF card or whatever it's called, you could probably download it from that, I assume. Then you storage 43 gigabyte almost. Yep, all good stuff in here. But once it's connected, it's super fast. I like this. You can connect your Bluetooth as well, so if you get phone calls and stuff, you can answer phone calls. That's about it, honestly. So if you guys want it, you guys can know where it can be found at. Link in the description below. And make sure you guys use a discount code. That will help you guys out a lot. Phone right there. Disney Plus, KK box, stuff like that. Alright, that works too. That's it, fam. So I wish I could show you more, but this works as kilometers per hour, I believe. I wish I could do something about that one. Look, see, Bluetooth. I think this is Android Auto. If you had it, then you get that back button there. Yep. So just a heads up on that new module. Pretty quick. Got more stuff already downloaded, so it's pretty cool.